Okay, so we're looking at the charts. We've been triggered in on the first level here for the sell. We got this candle is quite bullish, so we're still holding on to C. So this is sell, but it did not get up to this level. Just to digress a bit, we have a bit of news coming up at 2:30. Is the Euro news DP, but let's see if Euro, the GDP for Euro, not pound. Now we are trading the pound USD, but sometimes when the Euro moves, it affects the pounds as well. Oh, sorry, not the Euro. Is the USD, so it will affect it. It's not a major news actually, just medium impact. Producer price index. That's the news coming up in 4 minutes. That's at 2:30. Okay, so we think price would actually. I'm expecting that price will push it down further. However, if it does not do that, then that means to push it up, and it could push it up to this level. That news could actually push it all the way, maybe even up to this place, and it might stop me out. But that's fine as well, because I've got my risk management intact. It doesn't matter. Well, it won't be a big deal even if this is a loss. But the thing is that I'm following my trade setup. So we have this level here and this level here that we have marked out. So let's see what price will do. Currently we're up a bit at 1.3%, but let's see what that news will do. If it's just break this trend line that we have here, break it downwards, and come and retest this level here. Let's see if it will do that. Okay, so I want us to see how this will react to the news. Remember, it's not a high impact news. So the news has started. This is the 15 minutes time frame. So we see it's pushing it down. Let's see if it will push it all the way down, but it may not do that. I'm not seeing a lot of strength, but let's see what will happen. This is the 15 minutes time frame, as I said earlier. So it's not a major news impact really, but so it just pushed it down a bit and not a lot. Some really big news will just give us a really big movement. You can get like 50 pips, 60 pips, 100 pips, just either that way or the one that will go that way. Really big candles. But this has not been, it's like I said, it's just a medium impact news. So let's see, by the time, this is the 4-hour chart, so by the time this closes, let's see what will happen. Okay, 29 minutes for it to the top of the hour for it to close completely. Okay, so let's just watch and see. Okay, so let's see what has price done so far. Let's have a plain gray here now. So let's see. So price has, if we look at this, it's giving us some highs. This is a low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, all the way. So it seems to be stuck somewhere there, and it's just giving us up down movement here. It went up, came down, went up, came down, went up a bit, and then it's giving us a higher low here as well. So it shows that the buyers and sellers are really pushing for either of the sides, either directions. So as we said before, we had an entry here, so price has come, it has picked it up, but it did not pick up this one here. Who knows, perhaps it will still move all the way to this level, or maybe even to the 80, and then we expect it to push down. Or it may not do that, it may just push down from where it is now. Maybe it will just come back up to this level and push down. But whatever case it is, we know that there, in this zone here, we have a lot of sellers, and the reason why we know there are a lot of sellers there is because we can see wicks. This is a wick here, this is another wick, that's a wick, or rejection candles. So we can see rejections. It went up, rejected it, went up, rejected it, just has been rejecting here. So there has to be a really big massive push to go above, to close above this level here. So let's just watch and see. I'm expecting it perhaps to come down. My expectation really is for it to come down, break this level and hit the 20 at least, but it may not do that. It may go all the way up. So well, let's watch and see what will happen.